Hi, once again, welcome to Jeeps Rock. This used to be the dark side, and it is still the dark side, but it's been transformed to run the American flag for the summertime, as well as we're getting close to the 4th of July. So why not be proud, run that red, white, and blue, and let everybody see, see the true colors of America on your vehicle. So this is not a wrap, this is not a sticker, this is a magnet. So again, the dark side still is behind it, and as you can see, it's just a black Jeep. As soon as you put this on there, just transforms it. And I went ahead and left them all installed on here already, just to show you that with an aftermarket Jeep, these still can be installed. These are aftermarket fenders, rock sliders, and so that would maybe require some kind of cutting to kind of make it fit to your vehicle. So this is didn't have to be modified at all. But if you look down below, these sliders are actually bolted to the actual part of the tub of the vehicle, and so because of that, we're gonna have to cut. So about an inch up, you're gonna take a straight line, cut right there, straight edge, cut that right there, and then you'll have another one right here. Now, if you're running a factory Jeep, there's gonna be 2 more pieces, and you wouldn't have to cut anything at all. So this would just go straight on, and then back here, this would cover here. And then you have 1 more to finish the American flag, which is about right about there. So it still is going to give you a nice look, and they have you covered completely. Okay, so what you're going to do, just line that up. So with the lines of the American flag, you want to try to put that as close as you can, straight across. Just a little bit more, and you can see this is going to be my line. So I'm just going to take a hard edge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the competitor's magnet here and just use that as my straight edge. Because with the competitor's magnets, they are not very flexible, so they're pretty rock solid and hard as a rock. So. And heavy. So I'm just going to take that right there, draw my line. I'm going to take my pair of sharp scissors here and just follow that line. And then I just go back up. So that's a little bit more than an inch right here, and then of course it goes up a little bit more. So again, think about what you want to do with your design at the bottom. Again, make it kind of basic if you're going to be cutting off that much, because you don't want to have that as a pattern and then have to cut that off. And then once you have it cut, you just slide it right back, line it up. There you go. Nice cut, solid line, and you can see that it's a very small little tip right here, but it's still adhering just fine. And that is a complete install. Customized, cut, just for what you need for your vehicle.